In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Hostinger's HPanel to manage your hosting, domains, emails, and websites. Let's start at the very beginning. Log into your Hostinger account and open HPanel. This is your control center. For security, make sure you're on the official site and keep your credentials private. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which neatly organizes everything you need. From the dashboard, you can quickly access hosting, domains, emails, and websites. Think of these as your primary sections. Hosting is where you manage the technical side of your server and site. Domains covers your web addresses and where they point. Emails is for creating and managing your mailboxes. And websites is where you'll find tools related to your site builder or installed apps. The layout is designed so you can jump between areas without getting lost. Open your website or hosting plan to manage core features like files, databases, backups, and SSL. Files gives you access to your site's content through the file manager, useful for uploading media or editing configuration files. Databases is where you create and manage the data your site uses, especially for content management systems. Backups lets you restore previous versions of your site, which is a lifesaver before big updates. SSL allows you to activate and manage certificates, so your site loads over HTTPS and stays secure. Take your time in these areas and read the on-screen notes. They're there to help you avoid mistakes. Next, head to the Domains area to manage DNS records, name servers, and domain settings. DNS is how you connect your domain to your hosting, email, and other services. Name servers control where your domain's DNS is managed. If you make changes here, remember that updates can take some time to propagate across the internet, so be patient and double check entries before saving. Move over to the emails area to create new mailboxes and adjust email settings. You can add addresses for your domain, set secure passwords, configure forwarding, and tune spam and security options. If you plan to use a mail app, look for the connection details provided in this section. Back on the dashboard, you'll also find menus for usage, billing, and account tools. Usage helps you monitor resources like storage, bandwidth, and CPU to keep your site running smoothly. Billing is where you review invoices and subscriptions. Account tools let you update profile details and preferences. Whenever you make changes, save carefully, review confirmations, and return to the main dashboard to switch sections. That's the tour, clear, simple, and ready for you to take control.